Good afternoon, lip gloss queens. Hope your day is going good. Today we're going to do red sparkly eyeshadow tutorial today. So now I hope that y'all will enjoy this video. So please do so. And let's get into this. Alrighty. First thing I got right here in my hands. I like to use the product Revolution. So we're going to use several and different ones. I'm going to do this red Makeup Revolution from London. Y'all want to see the colors inside? So these are colors inside. I got a little bit of red in there. So we're going to use what we got in here. So yeah, we're going to use a little bit of this red. We're going to do a little bit of mixing. A little bit of sparkles in there. Eyeliner, everything. And there will not be eyelashes put in. So if you are ready with me, let's get our brushes, what we're going to use in this video today. So I like to keep all my brushes inside this bag right here and keep them nice and clean away from the other ones that are dirty. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I use a thicker one in here. Where's the thicker one? Yeah, I'm gonna use this one here. Since I can't find my thicker one you're supposed to use, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use the color Rose in this palette. Just enough. And then just like that. Okay, looks good. Okay. So we got this one are looking good. For me, I like to put a third layer. Just make sure everything is actually showing. Okay, we're going to use like a darker orange in here. Something a little dark. I do not like that brush. We're going to do Dubitant. It's one of my darkest, closest shade to this red here. So we're just going to put it. You're just going to mix it in with this red here. Let me do that again. If the orange is not showing on here, the one that I got, you can use another orange, something that is dark, which is that I do have another that I'll probably end up using. So the purpose of this one is supposed to like make it more red. So yeah, make it look more red. So this is my other Revolution. This is like the main colors and stuff. And this one is from London as well. I guess they're all from London. So we're going to use Cardinal Orange from this palette here. And then you're going to just go right here. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. For me, personally, I like to do another layer of this orange here. Then at the very end, we're going to do something very precious. So this is how it looks now with the red and orange. We're going to add a couple more different color in here. So this time we're going to add energy. This is like a dark brown. So anything that is closer to the color, we're going to put right here. Usually I will put black right there. Usually for this one, we're not. I need a mirror. I need a mirror. Y'all like see what I'm doing? I'm gonna do another layer. Alrighty. For me, I like to make the wing a little longer. Then I go back. Yeah, I'll make the wing a little longer here. There we go. That looks good. Now for the last thing, it's gonna be, okay. You're gonna get like a sweet color pink glitter. Then get a soft pink glitter. So this is that. And then I'm just gonna slightly just not press too hard. I'm not doing any heavy glitter. I'm doing like soft, sweet type of glitter. Now, you ready for the next step? You already know what the point you need to do. Your eyebrow. If you want to put eyelashes on, then you put your mascara on. That's something you can do. For me, I don't own any of those things. So we gotta brow something in here, and then I'm gonna show you the end result after I'm done with my other eye. So thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, please comment, please share, please like, so you will never ever miss another tutorial from me again. And thank you and bye.